One of the common myths with chiropractic is that people only go when they're in pain. And chiropractic is actually a healthy lifestyle choice. It's like working out in a gym or eating healthy food. It's something once you commit to do it, most people continue to do it. You don't have to do it all the time, but they continue. So just like working out or eating good food, chiropractic benefits are enormous. People feel better, they sleep better, and they typically live healthier, happy lives. When you're ready to make a commitment for a new lifestyle choice, why not give me a call? Dr. Lee Ligon, Ligon Chiropractic and Wellness. We're dedicated to health and committed to quality.